Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're struggling with those pesky love handles and want to rock your favorite summer outfits with confidence, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to share the top 7 exercises that will help you blast away those love handles in less than a month. Remember, consistency is key, so let's dive right in. Exercise 1. Russian twists. We're kicking off our list with Russian twists. Sit on the floor, lean back slightly, and lift your feet off the ground, holding a weight or a medicine ball. Twist your torso to the left and then to the right, engaging your obliques. Aim for 3 sets of 15-20 reps on each side. Exercise 2. Side plank dips. Side plank dips are excellent for targeting those love handles. Get into a side plank position with your elbow directly below your shoulder. Lower your hips towards the ground and then lift them back up. Perform 3 sets of 12-15 reps on each side. Exercise 3. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are a classic core exercise that works wonders for your obliques. Lie on your back, lift your shoulders off the ground, and bring your opposite elbow to your knee, while extending the other leg. Keep alternating in a bicycle pedaling motion. Aim for 3 sets of 20-25 reps. Exercise 4. Wood choppers. Grab a dumbbell and let's do some wood choppers. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding the dumbbell with both hands. Start at one hip and swing the dumbbell up and across your body, engaging your obliques. Complete 3 sets of 12-15 reps on each side. Exercise 5. Standing twists. Standing twists are simple yet effective. Stand with your feet hip width apart, arms extended in front of you. Twist your torso to the right, then to the left, keeping your hips stable. Perform 4 sets of 20 twists, 10 on each side. Exercise 6. High-intensity interval training. HIIT. Incorporate HIIT into your routine for maximum fat burning. Perform exercises like burpees, mountain climbers, and jumping jacks in quick succession. Work at high intensity for 30 seconds, followed by 15 seconds of rest. Repeat this cycle for 10-15 minutes. Exercise 7. Plank variations. Planks are fantastic for engaging your entire core, including those love handles. Mix it up with side planks, forearm planks, and standard planks. Hold each variation for 30-45 seconds and repeat for 3 sets. There you have it, our top 7 exercises to help you get rid of love handles in less than a month. Remember to combine these exercises with a balanced diet and consistent cardiovascular workouts for the best results. Stay committed and you'll be amazed at the transformation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.